Jafet KOOME Nchebere uria utaritwe ta munene UMWERU wa BORITHI na anyuite Muuma muthenya jwa narua mbere ya mugambithania munene Martha KOOME Nchebere uria ni mumiru wa kuma gicigo mbunge kia North Imenti anyuite Muuma nyuma ya gukurukwa ni mbunge kujukia kanya kau karakarari na Hilary MUTYAMBAI. Anthony Kathenya na Ntatoije.
Ntuku mwetu nyuma ya gwetukwo ni bunge nene inspector mujeru wa polisi Jafet KOOME Nchebere muthenya umwe ataselelwa kunyuma maujo wa kwambiria wira. KOOME gikinyaga nyombani nene ya Supreme Court andamanite na muji wae na kwithirwa kinyuma maujo wa urithi ngugi.
I, Jafet KOOME Nchebere, having been appointed the Inspector General of Police, do swear that I'll be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Constitution and the President of Kenya during my service in the National Police Service, without favor or affection, malice or ill will, that will at all times do my utmost to preserve the peace and to prevent offenses against the peace.
KOOME liwa NAJUKITIE OBC kuma kinuruga bule dhirito acting nyume inspector wa ukabere Hilary MUTYAMBAI kwe bobisi ni nontubamba jua. Nyume ya kunyumu moju KOOME ni anenkanete mukana kie kinai bala bedhirito baki dhange kia Kenya na kobayera ile ya mwe na ambabanya mujandidhia.
We have a beautiful country. All of us, we have a responsibility to ensure we hold this country together. I wish to state na kusema ya kwamba tuko na maofficers wa polisi who are very professional. 98% we have no issues with them. Maybe just 2%. And we are really being assisted by the commission, by 4 other oversight bodies. Again, we have the critical mass within the police to manage the 2%. But we are very professional police service. Kwa hivyo hawa kora wako kule nje wanafikiria watatishia maisha ya wananchi. That will not happen.
KOOME ni eleithitie ati agatigira wikale bugusokera na Kenya bakuga bebeganire kuruta ngugi jiao bati na wagagu no bweku.
Kile mimi nasema, all of us, let us enjoy our existence. Yale mali umetafuta kwa bidii tutachunga hiyo mali. Yeyote anajaribu kuingia kwa mfuko wako, anachukua wallet yako, uko na records umenunua ya dhahabu, anataka kuichukua, atapata cha mtemakuni.
Mambura mama makunyuithe Muuma inspector jo mujeru wa polisi malali na tongore kathomba magitengo kia polisi ilo mutongeria wa DCI Amin Mohamed na mwikaliligite wa commission ya urithi ngugi bwa polisi Eliud Kinuthia.
It is very important to note that we have that goodwill and we have that support so that the job before us, it is us to do it to the best of our capability without pointing or looking behind as to why we cannot perform.
Jaji munene Martha KOOME no atongeretie mambura mama ni auriti Jafet KOOME kuruta ngugi jiae akithingatagira watho bura bulekire katiba na kwinyiria tegitengo kia judiciary no mpasikire utire wira na polisi kenda gutigira haki ikuonekana.
All of us, we are actors in the justice sector, have embraced this principle of cooperation and collaboration to ensure efficiency in the criminal justice sector. We have all recognized that none of us can make it alone. It is a shared responsibility, not only with the actors within the criminal justice sector, the judiciary, the police, the prosecution, but also the people themselves. Bwana IG, the oath which you have taken today will guide you in your day-to-day work. According to the oath, you must never depart from the law. In addition, the oath equally requires you to serve this country to the best of your abilities and bearing in mind the enormous responsibility placed upon you.
Kûnyua Muuma wa inspector jo mujero wa polisi ni kiambiria kinene kiri gitengo ya wikaria Kenya na wirigiro boa Kenya ni atakethiro akithiria thina nene ya wagagu boa ikaria ile endelete kwinyiria akenya baingi kuma nyumbani nene ya koti nene Bitantoni Rangi wa Kathenya.